Abate, meaning abate means to reduce, lessen, or decrease something, especially something undesirable or harmful. It can refer to anything from emotions to physical conditions like noise, pain, or pollution. Definition: abate is a verb that refers to the action of making something less intense, severe, or harmful. It is commonly used in contexts where something is being diminished or softened. Examples in sentences. 1. The storm finally abated after several hours of heavy rain. Here, abated means the storm's intensity reduced or lessened. 2. Taking medicine helped to abate the pain in his leg. In this example, abate refers to reducing or relieving the pain. Abate is often used when describing a decrease in something strong or negative, such as pain, noise, or a difficult situation.